Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 2 p.m. Eastern Time on Tuesday. 2 hours left to go in the trading day, and we have markets in negative territory. Coming into the opening bell this morning, we had green across the board. Right now, we're looking at a Dow negative by 68 points, trading at 30,334. S&P is negative by 3 points, trading at 3731. You got the NASDAQ off 33 points at 12,866, and the Russell accelerating lower off 42 points at 1953. And we'll start it off with the Russell. Quite an acceleration we had yesterday when you had the S&Ps in positive territory, Dow to record territory as well. Early yesterday, you go from 2,032 down to almost 1,992. So you're talking about 40 points there. And then this morning, we're down basically an additional 40 to almost 50 points from 2,000 to 1,950. You've lost almost 80 points. That's a solid 4% just from the beginning of trading yesterday in the Russell 2000, which was leading us on the way up. Something to keep your eye on. Chart of the S&P, you see it this morning. 37.45. We're about 22 points away from that level at 37.22. Jumping to commodities, crude oil, $47.91, up about 30 pennies on the session. Gold up $1 at 18.81. Was above 18.90 earlier in the day, just prior to noon Eastern time. Silver contract off 27 cents at 26.25 right now. And notes and bonds will finish it up. Pretty calm action in notes and bonds. We're looking at a yield right now of 0.935%. The 10-year is flat at 137.29, and the 30-year is off 4 ticks at 172.21. We'll jump over to the VIX. Had a little negative action in the market. The VIX catching a little bit of a bid, up about $1.53 at 23.23. That's a 7% pop in the VIX. We'll jump around to some of the stocks that are moving this morning. How about Amazon trading higher, up by 1.8%, extending the gains that we had yesterday from 31.80 up to 33.50 earlier to put Amazon on a daily. 35.52, the all-time highs for Amazon back there. Another stock always on my radar. Volatility everywhere here, folks. You're talking about Disney opening at almost 180, pulling back. We had some pullbacks across the board, right? Check out Microsoft shares, 227. We'll put it back to a 5-minute chart. There's your sell-off intraday. Apple shares selling off as well from 138 to 136. 2 hours left to go in trading. We got S&Ps down 7 points, trading at 37.19. We're only 4 points away from the intraday lows. Stay tuned, folks. We got to replay this hour. Tom O'Brien, my dad, he's coming up live in 1 hour, 3 till 4 p.m. to finish the day.